Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. Happy New Year to everyone. As you can tell, my voice is a little choppy. That's because I'm in Florida and the weather is going crazy. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you this wig from HerGivenHair. Now, y'all know this is not my first time working with them. I absolutely love HerGivenHair. They're #1 on my list. And I'm showing you the products that they put inside of the box and the different things that they do give you with the actual wig that you will receive. Now, the wig that I'm reviewing today is going to be the No Need to Stare. I have it in the texture curly. I'm not sure what the inches is, but I will put it down in the description box below. And as you can see, this is the construction of the lace wig. It does come with your standard 4 combs, the elastic band in the back, as well as the extra elastic band that they strap onto the wig. And I absolutely love that because, listen, it's 2020 now. We don't need no wigs flying off. We know better, right? Right. So I absolutely love the curl pattern of this hair and how flawlessly it looks straight out of the pack. However, if you would like to wash your hair, this is usually what I do. I just saturate the hair in cold water and I use my Aussie Moist shampoo. You can get this from Walmart for probably like $4, and it works so well with curly hair. I use that, saturate the hair with water, and then use my Demon brush to further define the curls. As you can see, this is a stocking cap that I already went ahead and molded off camera. And I'm just going to pop the wig on and show you what the lace looks like on. I mean, I didn't have to do any plucking to this hair. It's already pre-plucked and I didn't have to bleach any knots. What I did was I went ahead and I took some of my foundation powder and I pretty much just ran that on the back of the lace. And girl, I'm telling you, that's all you need to do. So as you can see, this is the hair in its natural state and it's straight out of the box. And I'm going to show you how I continuously style my hair. Y'all already know my favorite products to use on curly hair is always going to be some type of styling foam or actually styling mousse that is alcohol free. You just want to make sure that it's alcohol free. When you use the alcohol free, to me, I feel like it gives the hair a little bit more moisture for the bounce. So, you know, like the gels, if you use the hard gels, it kind of weighs the hair down and then it starts flaking. With this method, what I've been always doing, I don't have those issues. And then, of course, you always want to set your hair. So I'm just going to throw my silk scarf on. I feel like every time I'm doing my makeup and I set my hair at the same time, I always have my scarf on and I'm always getting some type of powder on my scarf. But anyways, I just let that set for maybe like, 15, 20 minutes. If you have 30 minutes, then possibly. But this is what we're working with right now. I'm just going to take my foundation powder and I'm just going to go through the parting area just to open it up a little bit more. I don't like to pluck because to me, if you're going to buy a unit and you're going to invest in a unit, which this is a unit that you should definitely invest in, you don't want to continuously manipulate the hair. But this is the finished product. As y'all can see, your girl is feeling herself. I absolutely love it. I love the way that it shapes my face. I just love the fact that I can pop this wig on and achieve this look in 30 minutes and I don't really have to do much. So I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box below. Thank you for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing my next video. Y'all pray for me because I want my voice back. Like, I really do.